Hello everyone, welcome back to our how-to video series. Today we will discuss about how to import your WooCommerce product information with our WP Ultimate CSV Importer Pro. Let's get started. Initially, let's prepare our CSV file. So here is my CSV file with two different products. I have added the SKU and some of the basic details like title, content and excerpt. To make your product as visible, give the value as 1 and you can add your product price here. Manage stock is my checkbox value. To enable the checkbox, you have to mention the value as yes, and then you have to mention the stock status, number of stock, purchase note, and I have added some of the details of my WooCommerce product like weight, length and height. So for feature image, you can either use your WordPress media gallery URL or any external URL. So here I am going to import WooCommerce Simple Product information. So I am mentioning the product type as 1. For example, if you are importing grouped products, you have to mention the value as 2, and for external or affiliate product, you have to mention the value as 3, and for variable product, you have to mention the value as 4. And this is my category. This is my product tags. To mention multiple tags, you have to separate the values using comma separator as I have mentioned here. This is my product attribute. I have two attributes here. So you have to mention the values using pipeline separator. These are my product attribute values. So vacuum flask represents the value of my first attribute flask. You have to separate the first attribute with the second attributes using comma separator, and the light green, brown, black and white represents the values of my second attribute colors. So the single attribute values are separated using pipeline separator. So I have mentioned the product attribute visibility. Both the values are need to be separated using pipeline separator. That's all about the CSV preparation. Now let's import the values. Choose your CSV file. Now click on continue. So map your appropriate CSV field with the desired WP fields. If your header value is same, then importer will automatically map all the fields. These are my WooCommerce product meta fields like product type, attribute name and some of the values here. Now let's click on continue. So this section helps you to efficiently handle your featured images. So I'm going to use this. Use media images if already available. Now click on continue. From here you can also efficiently handle your duplicate data based on your post title, ID, name or content. Now let's import the values. So the values are imported successfully. Now let's check on it. So this is it. The title, content and then categories, tags, my featured image, and then the regular price, sales price. These are my attribute values. So all the information are successfully imported. So by this way you can easily import any number of WooCommerce product information in just one go. Happy importing!